This video shows how to replace the front end 1 card and full height riser module in the XC7440 sled within a PowerEdge XC7100. Before you begin, power off the sled. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first loosen the 2 blue thumb screws on the rear of the enclosure and pull the sled levers. Hold the sled handle to pull the sled out of the enclosure. Then, to remove the FE1 card and FH riser module, you must first remove the air shroud. To do this, lift the air shroud out of the sled. Next, press the latch and slide the card holder. For the FE1 card, first remove the screw. Rotate to open the holder bracket, slide and lift the card, and then disconnect the power cable. For the FH riser module, remove the 3 screws and lift the module out of the sled. To replace the FH riser module, insert the module firmly until it is fully seated, and then tighten the 3 screws. To replace the FE1 card, reconnect the power cable and firmly insert the card into the FH riser module until it is fully seated. Then slide the card holder and tighten the screw on the holder bracket. Now, lower the air shroud until it is firmly seated. At this point, slide the sled into the enclosure until it is fully seated. Push the sled levers and tighten the 2 blue thumb screws. You have replaced the FE1 card and FH riser module on the XC7440 sled within a PowerEdge XC7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.